Tired of spending hours trying to curl your hair only to end up with flat, lifeless waves? Here are the 5 best automatic curling irons I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves Wand. The Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves curling wand caught my eye with its vibrant pink color and the promise of effortless styling at a price of $59.99. If you want stunning beach waves without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This curling iron features a one-click auto rotation, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. Imagine being ready to go with fabulous curls in just 10 minutes. It has a unique anti-tangle mechanism that detects and reverses any tangles, ensuring you won't be wrestling with your hair while trying to get that perfect curl. Plus, with 500 million negative ions and a T-gloss ceramic coating, you can expect your curls to shine for up to 72 hours. Talk about long-lasting beauty. Now, some people have mentioned that the 1-inch barrel might be too small for those looking for larger curls. Here's the thing though, while that might be true, it's perfect for tighter waves, and if you're after volume, you can always combine smaller sections for fuller curls. This is perfect for you if you're a busy person who wants gorgeous curls without spending ages in front of the mirror. Skip this one if you have very thick hair, as you might prefer a bigger barrel for more volume. At $59.99, it offers solid value for anyone wanting quick styling solutions. Now, if the size of the barrel in the Tymo Curl Pro bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Tymo Curl Pro Metallic Gray Wand. The Tymo Curl Pro in metallic gray is similar to its pink counterpart, but offers a sleek, sophisticated look for $56.99. If you want effortless, consistent curls every time, this is definitely worth considering. Like the pink version, this curling iron features the one-click auto rotation for quick, beautiful curls without the hassle. It also shares the anti-tangle technology and T-gloss ceramic coating, providing that gorgeous shine and smooth finish for up to 72 hours. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this product. Some users have noted that it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use, but honestly, the results you get outweigh that minor inconvenience, especially if you're after quick styling. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish curler that's easy to use and gives long-lasting results. Skip this if you struggle with heavier styling tools. For $56.99, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for great curls without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with longer hair. Product number 3. Tymo Curl Pro Plus Automatic Curler. The Tymo Curl Pro Plus is designed for those who have longer hair and want to make styling a breeze, priced at $79.99. If you're after curls that last and are quick to create, this is definitely worth a look. This curler features a longer barrel specifically designed for long or thick hair, ensuring that you can curl from shoulder to waist with ease. The dual heating technology speeds up the process, so if you're in a rush, you'll still get those perfect curls quickly. Plus, the anti-scald design and 600 million negative ions keep your hair shiny and frizz-free. However, some users mentioned that the learning curve can be a bit steep if you're not used to automatic curlers. Now, I'll be real with you. While it might take a couple of tries to get the hang of it, the stunning results are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have long hair and want fast styling without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner who prefers traditional curling irons. At $79.99, it's an excellent investment for gorgeous curls that last. Now, if you're on a budget but still want great curls, the next product is for you. Product number 4. The SheGlam Automatic Curling Iron. The SheGlam Automatic Curling Iron offers an affordable option for anyone wanting to achieve beautiful curls without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool that delivers great results, this is worth checking out. This curling iron heats up in just 60 seconds, making it perfect for those busy mornings. With 3 temperature settings, you can customize the heat based on your hair type, whether it's fine or thick. The anti-tangle and anti-scald features make it safe and easy to use, especially for beginners. However, some reviews mention that it's not ideal for very thick hair, as it may take extra time to get those curls just right. While that's valid, I think it's a small price to pay for an affordable and effective curling iron. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone on a budget looking for a reliable styling tool. Skip this if you have very thick hair or want salon quality results without the wait. For $39.99, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're after something truly unique, the final product on our list is a bit different. Product number 5, the Pretty Home Fully Automatic Lazy Curler. The Pretty Home Fully Automatic Lazy Curler is a game changer for just $21.99. If you want effortless curls without any manual winding, keep listening. This curler features a hands-free design that wraps your hair automatically, producing large, bouncy curls with just a push of a button. The 28mm barrel is perfect for creating voluminous curls, and it operates in a way that prevents tangling, something we all dread. Some users have mentioned that it might take a few tries to get the technique down, especially if you're used to traditional curling methods. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the convenience it offers is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want to simplify your styling routine and achieve salon-quality curls at home. Skip this if you prefer traditional curling methods or have very short hair. For $21.99, it's a steal for effortless styling. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tymo Curl Pro Plus because it balances quality, speed, and effectiveness for longer hair. I definitely avoid the Pretty Home if you're looking for something more traditional. It does take a bit of practice. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.